Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing the first look at what's new in IKEA for 2026. I don't think I've ever seen so many new collections in one go. Spring and Easter are already in store with loads of colour and really beautiful pieces. They've also launched a brand new kids safari collection and it's one of the biggest I've seen. There are also so many limited edition collections right now, and I think I spotted a fantastic dupe where you could save about 300 quid. I'm also trying to pick up an armchair and an ottoman for my new Snug if I can get them in the boot of my car. So grab yourself something warm and comfy and let's see what IKEA have got on offer for 2026. So first up, IKEA have introduced a collection called New Traditions. This is all about old Swedish countryside inspiration, traditional patterns, cosy cottage style energy. The duvet set is where this really comes through. There are some quite bold colour choices here, lots of yellows mixed with deeper tones. I don't normally go for patterns like this, but this one did catch my eye. They all have a black floral duvet and it felt bold but still cosy. Then moving on to the cushions, next up is the multicolour cushion. It's a traditional Swedish style design with a mix of muted and bolder colours. So let me know what you think. Are you liking this New Traditions collection or is it a bit too bold for your taste? Next up is a brand new collection called Scalloped. This one screams spring. It's a really lovely Easter style collection with soft pastel tones and floral patterns. The collection also includes some really pretty paper napkins which are £1.75, and there's also a really lovely little pattern tray for £3 which I'm a little bit annoyed I didn't pick up. It's got really sweet rabbits and a floral detail on it. These are perfect for spring styling and also perfect for Easter. They only had a tiny amount in store, so this really is a first look. From what I could see, there were paper hanging egg decorations, pastel coloured glass eggs and some really large hanging decorations. It feels like the kind of collection you'd bring out every year just to add a bit of colour and happiness. This should be coming fully into stock at the beginning of January. IKEA have a new collection called Smurfisk. I only saw one item in store, but I've added some really nice images because this one looks great online. From what I can see, they have some really lovely paper napkins. Unfortunately, that was all they had in store, but the rest of the collection looks really promising. Online, there's a really nice placemat, which comes in a set of two for £4. There's also a tablecloth for £15. They've also got a lovely bread basket for £10 and some really nice mugs in multiple colours, two for £8. And I thought they were really, really pretty. Overall, this looks like a really pretty collection and I'm looking forward to seeing it when it arrives in store. Next up is the Sandlowar collection, and I have looked it up. It's pronounced Sandlowar. This is a brand new kids collection from IKEA. It's inspired by safari and savannah animals with loads of cheetahs, meerkats and other little animal designs throughout. It's a really playful collection designed to feel fun and imaginative, but still really practical for everyday use. There are lots of soft toys in the range as well as bedding and throws, so you can carry the theme throughout a whole room. I was actually really struck by how affordable this collection is, especially the soft toys. They feel like really good value for the quality and size. One of my favourite pieces was the travel style storage case for £17. They look a bit like little suitcases, so would be perfect to store games and toys in. They had that really practical but also fun and decorative at the same time feel. They've also done storage boxes designed to fit in the Kallax units in different patterns and colours, which is always really useful. There are also gift style storage boxes that you can colour in, which I think is a really nice idea. The collection even includes stickers that you can put on furniture so kids can personalise their space a lot more. One of the more unusual pieces was a stall seat cover with little animal tail details on it, which adds that playful feel. And honestly, this range is huge. They had absolutely loads in store, and it feels like one of the biggest kids collections IKEA have done in a long time. There's so much to look at, and it's one of those collections where you can really build a whole room around it. The main reason I was actually in IKEA today is I'm buying a new sofa and an armchair. We've had some building work done and we need new furniture, so we've gone for the classic Ektorp two-seater sofa. We've had this range before and we really like it. It's a really great collection, loads of different sizes and shapes. I'm also going to pick up the storage stall as well and an armchair to match. Now I've got a little hack in mind for these, so I'll show at the end what I'm going to do, and I'll also show them set up in the new room. Next is a brand new collection called Om Yenj. This is a limited edition collection from IKEA and it's very bold and colourful. They didn't have much in my store, but they are a mix of really bright, fun pieces. I really like the wall cabinet, which is £60, and they also had an orange stall and a really nice storage bench for £95 with some really strong colours. There is more furniture in the collection, but you may have to hunt around a bit to find it. There wasn't much in my store. One piece I did really like was the hanging tapestry, which I thought was a really great statement. A lot of the collection is available online though, so in store they did have the glassware in a really nice brown glass. There was a jug, matching glasses and a little bowl as well. They had the baskets which come in a set of 2 in orange and pink for £17. Again, this is a limited edition collection, so it may not be around for long. Let me know what you think and whether you're liking this collection in the comments. the last collection I'm going to show you, and I'm not even going to attempt to say the name, I'll pop it on the screen. This one really caught my eye, especially the picture ledges. They've got a really pretty scalloped detail, and I'm a massive scalloped fan. The pink ones are only £5, and they also come in a white again for only £5. I think they're really handy, but also really nice decoratively. The collection also includes matching mirrors. They didn't have any in my store, which seems to be a bit of a theme in this video, but they looked really lovely online, and they come in a couple of colours and different sizes. So here we are home. The room is not finished. We'll ignore the state of the walls, but we had the carpet fitted and we've got our new sofas that I picked up from IKEA. Really happy with them. I also bought the storage ottoman, and then I bought this faux little throw bed over the top so that people with their feet on it keep it clean. That's full of blankets. It's a really handy storage in there, and it's really nice. And what I like about it is I have seen some people have got them and the back gets quite saggy, but what I've done, and I do it pretty much every morning, is to turn these round. So flip them, so that was over there, moved it around here, and then you get it nice, thick and puffy again. And what I'm going to do, I've seen a video on YouTube and a couple on Instagram where someone's actually changed the legs, which I'm going to do. So you have some really nice wooden legs here, and then this gets folded underneath, so I'm going to do that. Going to get Christmas out of the way, and then I'm going to do that, which I think it makes it look so much more expensive, but I'm really happy with it. I really like the colour, and it works really nicely in here. Perfect size, only a small little snug, but it's really nice. And the armchair as well, I really like it. Super comfy. Excuse the mess. This has been used as a Christmas unwrapping room at the moment, but there it is. So that is my new sofa. So I hope you enjoyed the first look at IKEA 2026. I want to thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe. I've got so much more content coming this year in 2026. So thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you on the next video.